Good morning. This week we're starting Lesson 7. Lesson 7 deals with communications, and there is a new announcement on the website course homepage regarding communications, my own personal odyssey with that subject. I want to take a couple minutes, however, and talk a bit about the feedback from the mid-course survey. I appreciate the fact that, very frankly, virtually everybody in class actually logged on and did the survey. We appreciate that very much. It's very important to get really the best cross-section of everybody's opinion about what's going on. One of the issues that came up a couple of times were from students who were wondering why I spend time worrying about spelling and grammar. As one person said, my goodness, I'm tired of getting grades that say good content, you need to work on your spelling and grammar and punctuation. I want perhaps to give you a glimpse into how I look at what's happening in any of our courses, but certainly in our program as a whole. Our job isn't just to put you through these classes, give you a chance to succeed in the class, give you a grade, and eventually a diploma. I see our job as preparing you for this profession. Many of you are already in it, and you want more responsible jobs. Others are not in the area of human resource management at this point and would like to get into this area. The way this profession has grown in the last many decades, it's become more important. It's become part of what people call the C-suite, the CEO's office. It's part of that group of people, in many cases, that are guiding the organization from a strategic point of view. And as often we say in HR, we want a seat at the table. We want to be part of that group. But to do that, we not only have to have good ideas, we not only have to understand the content, we have to be able to communicate in a variety of ways. Now, clearly in an online program, it's difficult to judge the quality of oral communication. On the other hand, one of the things we can do is provide you with feedback with respect to written communication. And by the way, it's a form of communication that results in a product that other people can see over time. It stays with you. It's very important that you become very careful in how you write. Now, we're not asking people to write the great American novel here. I certainly can't do that. And very frankly, let me say also, we all will make mistakes. I do that. I'm often embarrassed when I see an error on one of my announcements that I should have caught. The point, I guess, is the only way to be careful is to think about it. And the only way I can, in the context of providing feedback, is to really cause you to think about it, is to make sure that you know I'm going to hold you accountable to some extent. You can pass this course and have, careless spelling and grammar. It's going to be hard to get an A, full A, in this class if you just don't pay much attention to that. I mean, it just will be difficult. I will have to admit that. But I at least thought you should understand the reason why I pay attention to it. And hopefully, if you have questions, just let me know. And by the way, there are resources that we've shared with all of the online students with respect to writing. If you want to get in touch with me and get another copy of that link, I'll be glad to send it to you. Otherwise, guys, have a great week. If you have any questions, let me know. We'll have office hours again on Saturday morning. I guess that's going to be October, well, whatever the date is. I forgot the date, frankly, but this coming Saturday morning. You guys have a great day. Take care.